So in this iMovie tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add sound effects to a video here in iMovie. So once you have iMovie opened up on your device, what I want you to do is first off just input a video into your project. So for me, I actually I have this black background right here, just playing with no sound. Now if you wanted to add a sound effect to this, it's pretty straightforward. So sort of in the middle of your screen right here, go to the left hand side to where that plus icon is, press on the plus icon. Now for me, the soundtracks tab comes up because in a previous video I showed you guys how to add music to a video. It's a pretty similar process. We're just going to exit out of this to this screen right here. So I'll go to where it says audio. So right for me, it's right below backgrounds and above camera. Press on audio. Now if you wanted to press on sound effects, it's obviously the bottom option right here. Press on sound effects. Now there's the alarm sound effect, applause, whatever it is. So if you just wanted to do the alarm sound effect, for instance, we'll go ahead and press on alarm. It plays it right there. We're going to go ahead and add that. I'm not too sure if you can hear that, so if you were to play this video, I'll be quiet for a second. Not sure if you can hear, but it plays the alarm sound effect in the background, as I mentioned before. A whole bunch of different sound effects that you can select from in the iMovie sound effects library. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add sound effects to a video here in iMovie. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.